Hello, Lee Cole here. Hope you're doing great. And I wanted to do a quick walkthrough of this cool piece of software that's launching tomorrow. It's called onesoci. And what it does is it takes care of all your posting needs to Facebook. It can post to profiles, it can post to pages, it can do everything that you need it to do. Now, I have review access, and I'm going to show you all these tabs and give you a little rundown of what they do. I'm not going to be too boring about this, hopefully, but in other words, I'm not going to show you everything, but I'm going to give you an overview of what you got. Number one, when you log into the dashboard, this is what you see. You can write your own posts. Let's say you want to post something either to your profile or your page or whatever. Well, you can just write it, and right here's where you can do that. Now, I've got this hooked up with my Facebook account, and you can see pages that I manage and groups that I'm in, and my personal profile. So you can choose where you want this to post, and it'll post that. And then you just get your, just like let's say you have a link to an interesting article, or you got a picture that you want to post, or a meme or something like that, but you can figure all that here. You can post it now, or you can add it to a queue. This is a scheduler. So if you have one thing to post, that will take care of it. What if you don't know what to post? Check this out. Or what if you know what type of thing you want to post, but you don't know exactly, which URLs to use for content curation, or, whatever. It's got a discover posts section. So you can type in a keyword here, and when you hit that, it will give you trending articles. Okay, and you can choose those to post to your page. I mean, just as an example, I typed in the word kale. Kale's a leafy green vegetable that's really trendy right now. And let's say you had a Facebook page about organic food, about healthy eating, about stuff like that. Well, here are McDonald's is testing kale in breakfast menu. That's excellent. I might have to go to McDonald's and see. Um, Kale for breakfast. So apparently, now these are trending articles. In other words, these are articles that are being viewed a lot. And so it would behoove you to post those on your Facebook page. But you can take these. Tim McGraw discusses fitness, green smoothies, and kale salad. But you can take these, you can select the post right here. You can go ahead and post it immediately, or you can put it on that scheduler that I showed you. Now, you can design what your posts look like. It's got a whole designer here. So if you want a little something more than just the link or just the normal look and feel of things, you've got a designer here. And you can't see it, but off the side of the page here, over here, and I apologize for my screen not being quite wide enough to see that, the screen of what I'm recording, but you can change the text. Let's pull that up and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so you can design text here. It's got various shapes you can use. Okay, so you've got various shapes that you can put in your post. You can have logos, backgrounds. Let's pull the backgrounds up and look at them. And these backgrounds fit, various niches. I mean, you have computer stuff for internet marketing stuff, photography, sports, looks like food, beaches, living the laptop lifestyle and all that stuff, dentistry, covers a lot, working out. I think I saw some kettlebells, yeah, working out, dogs. So travel, lot, a lot of abstract background, so you can see all of that. So you can design really, really nice posts. And you can keep those designs as themes. So you could have a theme for one page, a theme for another page, etc., etc. Schedule posts. Here's the scheduler. And this comes up with all the stuff you can schedule. See, I have no scheduled posts at the moment. But if I did, it would tell me, it would show me when they're scheduled, etc., etc. All in all, now I'll show you what cover photo does in a second. That's that's cool, but it's a little secondary. The meat of this is right where it says post. All in all, this thing's really, really simple to use. You can load up all your stuff, you can post it to your pages, you can have content out there, and you don't have to hire somebody to do this. It will do all of this for you. The cover photo is pretty cool. It's a nice little add-on. This is actually my cover photo for my profile. That's the bridge that goes across Charleston Harbor there in South Carolina. Um, if I wanted to change that, I could edit it, I could do stuff, etc., etc. Again, that's a nice little side feature. The big feature is where it says posts right here. And for my money, and talking about money, what this is going to sell for is peanuts, um, compared to what you're getting and compared to other types, compared to competitive products is what I'm trying to say. Um, this is a cool thing. So you can bet I'm going to be using this myself on my own pages.